This is a County Lines operation. It's a huge partnership operation. We've got 3 police forces involved in South Wales. South Wales Police, of course, are helping us. And we're looking for those who are involved in County Lines activity that are particularly vulnerable. We see a disproportionate number of children involved in County Lines drug supply using the railway network. And it's our opportunity today to intervene with a lot of resources here, a lot of support as well in terms of social services, children's services, adult services too, but also some third sector organisations such as the Giles Trust and Children's Society, who can make an effective safeguarding intervention when we do encounter the young people who are involved in County Lines. County Lines business model works on the basis of an import and an export location. The railway network is the glue that ties those together. So if any one of our policing agencies were operating alone, there's no point. You can only tackle this in partnership. You need all the organisations and agencies taking shared responsibility, and that's how you make the impact.